What's poppin', Planeswalkers? As you can tell, we're already off to a bad start in this. We also have a puppy dog character. Accidentally threw the box away and didn't realize it was all recording. Let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see, they also come with a collector's booster sample pack. So we will open that at the very end. Ooh, they have shields. I guess that's a shield. We're starting off with the Jund deck, which is called something that I cannot remember off the top of my head. I'll probably fix it in the end there. Okay. We got Henzi, Toolbox Tori, the Beantown Bullies, Glittering Stockpile, the Riveteers Charm, Riveteers Overlook, Artisan and Consulate. Okay, we're down to the nitty-gritty of stuff that we don't need to see. Ooh, wait. Hold up. Yes. Right here. We've got Bellowing Mauler, Protection Racket, Wave of Rats, Industrial Advancement, Metzio's Murder, Reign of Riches, Turf War, Calda Guardian, Dodgy Jalopy, First Responder, Next of Kin, Grim Gorger, Jolene, the Plunder Queen, Riveteers Complex, Weathered Sentinels, Aether Snap, and that's all of those. Let's see, is there anything new back here? Let's just go ahead and look at our lands. We got Cinder Glade, Exotic Orchid, as you could call it. Ooh. Keep going back here. Swamps. And they give you 3 of each of the whatever those are called, the special lands. And then we finish off with our commander, the hard version. It gets hard. Let's take a look at the tokens here. We got Ooze. A bunch of the Ooze. You know what they say, you ooze, you lose. We got Citizens, Beast, and a Treasure. On the backs, we got plants and a bunch of treasure. You also get these +1/+1 tokens and this, whatever that is for. Now let's go ahead and open this sampler. Don't know if they have to be in a particular order, but let's go. So, okay. Ooh, we got a Gaida, Font of Hope, and Rocco Cabretti Caterer. Interesting. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, and I love you. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe. Please, for the love of everything, ring that dang bell. Let's go.